Hi everyone. Do you want to get into the cloud space? Do you want to get into the IT space? I found a very great resource for you online. Their name is www.thinkcloudly.com. They have great instructors. If you want to get interviews and talk about projects that you have done, they have live project that you can easily look at and then talk about it while while you're interviewing. And also you have a job right now, and then you want to gain more experience, you want to gain more knowledge. You can easily go to them. They've helped to reshape my skill set actually. While on the job, they've helped me in so many ways to to gain more knowledge in the IT space, the cloud space, and all that. So you can easily just follow them, reach out to them. They are very great people to work with. So kindly follow them and talk to them, and enroll in one of their courses today. You will not regret it. They are one of the great resources out there, if not the best, one of the best, one of the great resources out there. Just reach out to them, and they will gladly walk you through step by step on how to gain that job and gain that experience that you really want. Thanks everyone.